हाय एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आई होप एवरीबडी इज़ डूइंग गुड। सब अपने घर पे अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे। और आज मैं क्विक वीडियो शेयर करूँगी। इवन आई विल शेयर समथिंग एल्स एज वेल, बट क्विकली आई शेयर विद यू हाउ माई डार्लिंग इज़ पैकिंग हर स्टफ. माई डॉटर, शी इज़ helping me packing my stuff. It's too messy right now because half of the things are there with him, half of the things is with me, half of the things are in the trunk. So it's completely messy. I'll not take much time. I'll just share how she's helping me. And I will be continuing my another video जहाँ पे मैंने रोका था, वहाँ से मैं आगे आपके साथ एक वीडियो शेयर करूँगी आज. Till then you enjoy this. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Have a great day. Wear mask. Bye. Say bye, Kishu.
Bye.
Bye. One thing, we are packing our stuff. You got the box. See, not this, not pen. Only your clips and your this
This is
grips, sketch pen, right? Not that. Yeah, I know. You take out from here your pins, see, and you collect and keep it here, and you make your small box, okay? Pins, right? You know which pins I'm talking about? Taka tak. Yeah. What did I say, Krishu?
I put it.
You find your pins over there inside the bag and put it here. See, collect all of and put it here, and we'll close the box. We'll make a small box, okay? Leave everything. Only your pins. See how many pins I've collected. See. Yeah, like that. Okay, you do it. We'll pack. You help your self. Okay.
Can I close it?
No, not yet. We have a lot. We need to find. See, one more I got.
One more.
Yeah. So let me just find out. Okay.
It's mine.
Yes, exactly. So that box is yours now. Okay.
What's this?
This is mine, Mama's.
And this is your.
It's all mine. I'll keep it. Don't worry. You pack your stuff. I'll give you more.
Give me more clips and grips.
Okay. I have a lot.
And my things.
Okay, your things. What about your hair bands? Just we'll put it in other bag. Not here. I'll give you another bag. Then you keep it. Okay?
I'll put it right here.
Yeah, sure. So
Where is my dog?
Sit.
And
your hair band. See, this is one more grip I found. One more grip I found. One more. The white grip is here. And what else? Many more.
do you have any more clips?
Yes. One more clip is here. There. Inside the bag, check. Did you check? See how many clips are there? Take it. Make your box. We'll make a box, you know, the medicine box which we always make. So what we'll do, this one I'll keep the medicine one. Expiry I'll check it later. Okay. What you do, you remove all like this.
This. I will check.
Yeah. So I need to clean it first. Yeah, I'll clean this first and we'll shift. Okay. So for the moment, what we'll do, keep this, hold this bag open it. So we'll keep all the medications here. This one you need, right? Sometimes. So what we need in the flight we'll keep separately. Okay, and we'll just keep.
Packing the things.
Yes, this is your grip. See, I found it again, and this also. So what we'll do, this bag Mama will use for the jewelry.
It smells something dirty.
Yeah, but it's medicine, beta. Okay. So this one I'll remove all. So we'll keep it here for the moment. And now what we will do, don't touch anything right now. We will keep all the safety pins here. Now you collect all the safety pins. Okay. I'll get you. See, be careful. See, this is too sharp. See, you see. Don't touch anything.
This is nice.
Yeah, don't touch anything.
Blue one.
Yes. Oh my God. See what has happened. Don't touch, beta. Just be careful. Yeah, because nothing should fall on bed also.
Mommy.
We sleep over there. Okay.
Mommy,
Now
I'm saying
see.
something.
Yeah. Tell me.
That green one. What is that green one?
That is earring, beta. Mama's earring.
Do you have
And the blue
another
one
one?
also. No, I don't know where it's gone. I need to find first. That's why I'm saying it's all messy.
This is your expiry lips.
No, it's not my expiry. This is my MAC one, and it's not expiry. You can just hold it. Yeah, like this. See this color?
Pink.
Yeah. Don't do it. Don't put it now. Let's just close it. Okay. Now this is Mama's another lipstick, red one. You know that, right? It's Estee Lauder. Estee or Lauder?
Estee
Estee Lauder. But what to do? It's okay. You're a kid. You don't need to know right now about the lipstick. What else we'll do? I told you to collect the safety pins, okay? So I'll get you more safety pins. Then we'll make a box. If you find Mama's earrings, we'll put it here. And don't touch a small earring with the pin out like this. Don't touch it. Mama will do.
Okay.
And I'll give you a box to keep your hairbands.
Okay, big one.
Yeah, big box I'll give you, okay? So this is Mama's medication right now. I'm taking that. Keep all this, see? Keep in the cover. For temporary cover we have decided now to put everything there. Then we'll shift it to the box. Just be careful, don't cut your hand,
Okay.
your fingers. Very good. Okay. Now this is the Colgate one shoes. Just put it there as well. Rest of the
In the
things, yeah, rest of the things I'll keep it here because I'm still using this. We have few days to go. Okay. So I'm using all that for my few days. These all, yeah, tell me.
2 days after 2 days, my dad will come.
Yes, your dad might come. I don't know yet he's coming or not. I need to find out. So I'll keep these earrings here. Don't mess it up. This one we are using right now. Sometimes you need it. So I'll just keep it here, okay? Okay. Now just give me a time. Box, sweetheart. So Mama's earrings, where do we put? See, this one there is no space. So these are here. Just leave it here. Mama will keep. And this is my compact. I'll keep it here.
That's a mirror.
No, beta, that's compact. Mama use it,
Show me.
right? See? Let me see. Ah,
Oh, sorry.
that's okay.
What do you find? I can see my face.
Yeah, that's great. Just keep it here. And this medication again, these two, just put it back over there. Okay? Yeah, put it here. Very good. And I'll get you grip. See again what I found? Your grip.
Oh, my
I
last.
found your pencils. It's everywhere in the house. It's everywhere, Krishu.
Here, can I take
Yeah, put it. See the medication again, where you're supposed to put this?
it in the cover?
Very good, my darling.
It's
Yes. Now again I found your grip. This is the grip. Again you need to pack. And what else? Your clip. Again, see what I found. Your clip. Later on we'll check which clip is not. Yeah, just put it in the cover. We'll check it later. Which clip is not working and it's chipped. This is the nail cutter. So whatever, listen to me. You need to keep this with Mama's stuff, okay? In this box. So keep it that.
Here,
And the pen also, yes darling. Pen, you know where to put.
in the cover.
Very good. See,
That one.
another thing what I found. It's in the
Cover.
very good. And what else? We are almost done. Mama's glasses, we are using it, so keep it in that one.
Okay.
Yes. Now Mama's cosmetic, I'm still using the pin. I just told you where to keep. The small boxy, choti one. Yeah, is pe. Very good.
Fall down. Can I put it like this?
Yeah. Like this, of course. Just open this, darling. Slowly.
No.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Fine. Just close this, Hara. Move your hand. Just leave it here with the Mama's stuff, okay? Okay. Now, all this is Mama's. See, this is Mama's bindi. This is finished.
Orange, pink,
Yes. So we'll just leave it here for a while.
gray.
Lo, Baba, bacha, safety pin. Very good.
I do think I'll put it right here.
What?
Yeah.
Yes. It's okay. What?
It doesn't fit.
Yeah, this is Mama's. Put it there in cosmetic box.
Here.
No, not that one. This one. Okay.
It's your eyeshadow.
Yeah.
This one.
That's the
Make it
eyeshadow.
longer.
No, it's a mascara.
Oh, I forgot.
But that's okay.
Do it like these, right?
You want us parade? Okay, I'll do something else for you, which is very healthy. It's okay. Dekho, another bed is so messy right now. We are packing everything. So our bed is how it's looking. This one we'll spray on you. It's okay. That's fine, darling. Look here. Doing. This is the rose water. What is that?
Rose water.
You know that, right?
Yes.
So we'll just.
It doesn't stand in there.
I'll keep it. Okay.
You just put it right
See what else I found.
there.
Oh my God! How many hair bands you have?
100.
maybe more than that. These grips here and the clip. Very good, my girl.
Do you have any more clips?
Now, right now I don't have anything, and we'll keep this here. Just reel. Did you saw a reel, right? Thread. You had a thread.
I did so. Here.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Put it here. Okay.
Black one thread.
Yeah, this is Mama's. Yeah, this is Mama's.
Here.
Here. Mama's stuff is here. Very good. Extra mask also we'll carry. So we need to keep it right. Everything here. All this we are packing for the in-flight. We'll
Where
not.
is my mask?
Your mask. It's already washed. Did you see down?
Yes.
Yeah, it's there. Getting dry.
We'll take to the gym.
Yes.